Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the Desmos graphing calculator to solve our problem, okay? So we wrote some equations, okay? They are in the first video, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to type a parametric into Desmos. Now, Desmos is used to handling X and Y, but you can use it to do a parametric. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in your X of t equation and your Y of t expression, kind of like a point. Okay, so we're going to do parentheses. Now we're going to do another set of parentheses. And we're going to go 225, because that was our initial velocity, cosine of 15 degrees. Okay. Close up your parentheses, and now we're going to type t. And it's going to say add slider, but we're not going to do it. Okay, here we go. Comma. Now we're going to do 5. If you want to put a space, you can. Okay. Plus parentheses 225 sine 15 degrees. Close up parentheses, put your t. It look a little weird. Minus 16 t, and then square it. And then finally, close parentheses. Now, this is going to look a little weird because you are going to have to put in, you're going to have to tell it. Where's my mouse? There it is. Okay. You know, how long do you want t to go for? So I'm going to put 0. Let's put 10. Okay. Now I'm going to have to mess around with the settings. Okay, so go to my wrench. Okay, so okay, make sure I type everything in right, which I did. Okay, I want the x-axis to go from 0 to, okay, this is an arrow, so it's gonna go pretty, I'm gonna go 1,000. Okay, and then I want the y-axis to go 0. Let's go 100. Okay. Did we get anything? Uh-oh. It is backwards. Okay, so I did something wrong. Okay, so let's double check my type in. Am I? Oh, you know what? I think I know what's wrong. I'm not in degrees. Oh no. Classic mistake. See, even teachers do that. Okay, so now it looks like a parabola, right? Now you want, this has to make sense. So your arrow is not going to go underground. Okay, so let's put this right here. This looks around like it's like, I don't know if that's 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make this, let's go to the settings again, and let's go Y, or let's go X, not to 1500, let's go 1,000. Okay, there we go. That looks a little bit better. Okay, let's see if we can make it even better. Let's do, okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay, so now remember the two questions were how long is it in the air? Okay, and find the distance the arrow travels before it hits the ground. Okay, so we can't really trace this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in kind of a dummy point. Okay, and we're going to put some sliders. Okay, now, and then I'm going to put in another one because you can't trace in parametric mode like how we're used to. Okay, all right, so if I just move my points here, okay, this is the C point. Okay, kind of use that. I can find the maximum height. Okay. I can also find, where's my A and B? Oh, A and B is right here. I can go over here and find out where about it is approximately when it equals 0. So the total distance that the arrow traveled is about 807, 808. You're going to get as close as you can. And then the maximum height of the arrow, let's see if we can get that a little bit better, is about 58. So if you've got a dedicated graphing calculator, then it's going to be a little bit better for you. So what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to take a picture of this, okay, and then we're going to take that back to OneNote, okay? So let me do a screenshot. And there we go. Okay, copy that. All right. So now we're going to make a third video where we kind of like, not just graph it, but kind of explain the graph. Okay. So I thank you for your patience with this one.